Hello, I'm going to show you how to do transfer to pay for your product on Calkia app. Just press on the app, then you click on more, then you click on cart, then you click on checkout, then you click on shipping to, that's your shipping address. Click on it, then the billing address, then you click on proceed. Then you click on pay stock. Then you click on pay with transfer. So I'm going to transfer the money to this bank account, Wema Bank. So I'm going to transfer the money to this account here. I will click on I have sent the money. Calkia is waiting to receive my transfer. I've already sent. You see a tick here. Then when the money is received, so tick here received. You get it? So don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding the bell to notify you of our new videos.